When tackling rugged terrains on your mountain bike, protecting your head should be non-negotiable. A well-chosen helmet not only safeguards you from injuries, but also enhances your riding comfort and confidence. In this guide, we'll explore the top mountain bike helmets for 2024, evaluating each one for its safety features, design, and overall effectiveness. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a weekend warrior, these helmets are sure to meet your biking needs. Number 1. Giro Fixture MIPS Helmet. Matte Titanium, Universal Adult. The Giro Fixture MIPS helmet is designed to provide an exceptional balance of protection, comfort, and style. The matte titanium color offers a sleek and modern aesthetic, while the MIPS, multi-directional impact protection system, technology is a crucial safety feature that significantly enhances impact protection. This system allows the helmet to rotate slightly upon impact, reducing the rotational forces transferred to your brain, which can be critical in preventing serious injuries. The Fixture features an in-mold construction, where the outer polycarbonate shell is fused with the EPS foam liner. This process creates a durable yet lightweight helmet that can absorb and dissipate impact energy effectively. With 18 vents strategically placed around the helmet, airflow is maximized to keep you cool during long rides. The adjustable Rock-Lock Sport Fit system allows for a custom fit, ensuring that the helmet stays securely in place even on rough terrain. Additionally, the removable visor provides extra protection from sun glare and trail debris, adding to the helmet's versatility. The Giro Fixture MIPS helmet's combination of advanced safety technology and comfort features makes it a standout choice for mountain bikers looking for reliable protection. Number 2. Adult Bike Helmet with Light, Mountain and Road, Replacement Pads, and Visor. This adult bike helmet with light is designed to offer both safety and functionality for mountain and road biking enthusiasts. One of its key features is the integrated rear light, which enhances visibility in low light conditions and helps ensure you're seen by others, especially during early morning or evening rides. The helmet's aerodynamic design reduces drag and improves performance, making it suitable for various biking scenarios. The helmet comes with replacement pads, allowing for a customized fit and easy maintenance. These pads enhance comfort by providing a snug fit and reducing pressure points. The removable visor is an added advantage, offering protection from the sun and debris while riding. The helmet's construction includes a robust outer shell and a shock-absorbing EPS foam liner, which work together to provide comprehensive protection against impacts. The adjustable strap system ensures a secure and personalized fit for different head sizes and shapes. The helmet's overall design balances safety, comfort, and practicality, making it a versatile choice for both casual riders and more serious cyclists. Number 3. Giro Insurgent Spherical Mountain Bike Helmet. The Giro Insurgent Spherical Mountain Bike Helmet is engineered to deliver top-of-the-line protection and performance. Its spherical MIPS technology sets it apart, featuring 2 separate layers of EPS foam that move independently of each other. This design significantly reduces the risk of rotational forces during impacts, enhancing overall safety. The helmet's full coverage design extends protection to the back of the head and the sides, areas often vulnerable in mountain biking. With 18 large vents, the Insurgent ensures optimal airflow, keeping you cool even on challenging trails. The helmet's rugged construction includes a robust shell and a comfortable, adjustable fit system. The visor is designed to offer protection from both sun and trail debris while maintaining a sleek, aerodynamic profile. The Giro Insurgent also features a plush, removable interior padding that adds to its comfort and allows for easy cleaning. The helmet's high-performance design and advanced safety features make it a top choice for riders who demand maximum protection and durability in their gear. Number 4. Troy Lee Designs Stage Full Face MTB Helmet. Max Ventilation, MIPS. The Troy Lee Designs Stage Full Face MTB Helmet is built for serious mountain bikers who need comprehensive protection and superior comfort. Its full-face design offers extensive coverage, protecting your chin and jaw in addition to your head. The integration of MIPS technology enhances the helmet's ability to absorb rotational forces, providing a higher level of safety during crashes. What sets this helmet apart is its exceptional ventilation system. With 25 strategically placed vents, The stage helmet maximizes airflow, reducing heat buildup and ensuring comfort during long, intense rides. The lightweight carbon fiber shell contributes to a lower profile without compromising on strength or durability. The removable and washable padding adds an extra layer of convenience and hygiene, while the adjustable visor helps shield against sun and trail debris. The Troy Lee Designs Stage full-face helmet's combination of advanced safety features, superior ventilation, and customizable comfort makes it an excellent choice for aggressive mountain biking. Number 5. Sena M1/M1 EVO Bluetooth Mountain Bike Helmet. The Sena M1/M1 EVO Bluetooth Mountain Bike Helmet brings a technological edge to biking safety with its integrated Bluetooth communication system. This feature allows riders to stay connected, stream music, or receive navigation prompts without needing additional gadgets. The helmet's Bluetooth technology enhances the riding experience by offering hands-free communication and entertainment. Safety is a top priority with the M1/M1 EVO, as it includes a durable polycarbonate shell and an impact-absorbing EPS foam liner. The helmet's design also incorporates an adjustable fit system and padded straps, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. The rear light adds an extra layer of visibility, making it easier for others to see you in low light conditions. The Sena M1/M1 EVO's blend of modern technology and reliable safety features makes it a standout choice for bikers who value connectivity and convenience. Its robust construction and innovative features offer both protection and enhanced functionality, making it a versatile option for various riding conditions. Number 6. BL Super 3i MIPS Adult Mountain Bike Helmet. The BL Super 3i MIPS Adult Mountain Bike Helmet is designed to offer maximum versatility and protection. Its removable chin bar allows riders to switch between full-face and open-face configurations, providing flexibility based on riding conditions. The inclusion of MIPS technology enhances safety by reducing rotational forces during impacts, ensuring comprehensive protection. The Super 3R features an extensive ventilation system with 23 vents, promoting excellent airflow and keeping you cool on demanding trails. The adjustable visor provides sun protection and helps keep debris away, while the adjustable fit system ensures a snug and secure fit. The helmet's construction includes a durable polycarbonate shell and impact-absorbing foam liner, offering both strength and comfort. With its modular design and advanced safety features, the BL Super 3R is an ideal choice for riders seeking a versatile helmet that adapts to various biking scenarios. Its combination of flexibility, ventilation, and protection makes it a top pick for serious mountain bikers. Number 7. OutdoorMaster Full Face MTB Helmet. Men and Women Removable Chin Pad. The OutdoorMaster Full Face MTB Helmet is designed to provide robust protection with a focus on adaptability and comfort. Featuring a removable chin pad, this helmet allows riders to switch between full-face and open-face configurations, depending on the riding conditions. The full-face design ensures comprehensive coverage, safeguarding critical areas during falls and collisions. Constructed with a strong ABS shell and EPS foam liner, the helmet offers reliable impact protection while remaining lightweight. The ventilation system includes multiple vents to enhance airflow and reduce heat buildup, ensuring comfort during long rides. The adjustable fit system and padded liner contribute to a customizable and comfortable fit. The removable visor provides additional protection from sun and trail debris, while the helmet's overall design balances durability and comfort. The OutdoorMaster Full Face MTB helmet's combination of flexibility, robust construction, and comfort features makes it a solid choice for riders seeking reliable protection in various mountain biking scenarios. Choosing the right mountain bike helmet is crucial for ensuring safety and enhancing your riding experience. Each of these top picks for 2024 offers a unique blend of protection, comfort, and advanced features. Whether you're looking for high-tech enhancements, full-face coverage, or versatile designs, there's a helmet here that fits your needs. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the trails.